That was just dumb. Why did I do that? That's dumb.
Because you're a dickhead. But I love you for it.
So even on to what you're saying about mental health, for example, I did a training the other day, and they were saying, and this is even, it's obvious, but I say it's obvious, but checking on the men that are in your lives, are they doing telltale signs? You're bathing. You know what I mean? If your brethren that's always fresh to the nines, what you start checking when man ain't bathing or whatever, he's not giving you eye contact or certain things like this or whatever. My man isn't communicative, you can't get through to him.
There's a difference in how you know that individual.
People shifts in their behaviour.
Right.
Shifts
Man's
in
wearing shorts now. Like.
do you know what I mean?
Hold on. Man came for Danny again. No.
Yeah. Straight bullets, you know.
Hey, wait. I'll put my mic away for a second.
Straight bullets.
I have to put.
Nah, it's calm. It's calm. It's
Take a
calm.
pause. Take a pause. And then
It's calm.
That was just dumb. Why did I do that? That's dumb.
no, because you're a dickhead. But I love you for it. That's funny. Don't leave me hanging.
No, it's keeping you on
You can have it. Yeah, you can have it. You can have that. You can have
Don't
it.
sleep.
Yeah, you can have that.
But even that, so for example, say your brethren like is sharp-witted.
Yeah.
All of a sudden they ain't got no bands.
True.
Yeah.
Because if you weren't that, I'd be concerned.